Former ANVC-B leader and BJP State Vice President Bernard and Marak expressed dissatisfaction over the government's failure to deliver promised rehabilitation and livelihood assistance to ex-militants. Marak highlighted that former members of militant organizations like GNLA, ANVC and ANVC-B are still awaiting for support. While dismissing fears of militancy resurgence, he called on the government to fulfill its commitments and provide financial assistance to those who renounced violence.
But I can only say that all those who have joined the mainstream from the militancy background, be it GNLA, NVC, NVC-B and others, most have not got the rehabilitation package. The rehabilitation package which was assured to them is still pending to most of the cadres. So I request the government to take care of the youths, especially those who have been assured to give a better life, to give financial assistance for their livelihood.
The National People's